The tiny bit I knew about Gord Jump was that he was alone. He retired, and shortly after that he passed away, before the end of Maytag came. I don't know how emotionally invested he was, but if anyone bled Maytag blue, well, then it actually might have been Gord Jump. It's sad the direction the company took after establishing one of the most iconic campaigns ever. If Maytag had just understood what Apple later proved, that a premium brand needs a premium environment, they could have owned the upscale appliance space. Instead, they just let the brand drift into the commodity aisle. Mila has since picked up the playbook that Maytag never used. This isn't just a trip down memory lane, it's a hard lesson in clamshell economics. Know who you are, know what your reputation is, know who your customer is, and who has your back. Then evaluate the trends and lean in the right direction. Good advice for all of us, big and small businesses alike.
Even if you're not a boomer, you likely know who Olonli is. Man, that image is enduring, like it or not.